Did you know that during World War II, one woman became so deadly that the entire German army put a bounty on her head? Her name was Lyudmila Pavlichenko, but the Germans called her Lady Death. In the hell of Sevastopol, she could kill a man from 800 meters away. 309 confirmed kills, each one a Nazi soldier who would never go home. She would lie motionless for 15 hours, waiting, watching. One shot, one kill. The Germans were so terrified of her that they broadcast her name on radio. They offered rewards for anyone who could bring her in alive. They tried to kill her multiple times. Mortar shells left her deaf. Shrapnel tore through her body, but she kept hunting. Finally, Stalin himself ordered her off the battlefield. She was too valuable to lose. When she visited America, she became the first Soviet citizen ever received at the White House. But Lyudmila wasn't there to smile and wave. She had a message for American women, and it wasn't what they expected to hear.